Mama, I want to create a bar chart with a line showing the average value so we can easily see which values exceed the average. Mama, can we do that?
Of course. Watch this video. First, we'll create a column named Average. Use the average formula, and remember to anchor the selected range. I'll round the result up to avoid decimal points. Next, we'll draw the bar chart as usual. Then, decrease the gap width and increase the series overlap to the maximum. For the bars representing the average values, I'll select No Fill and No Line. After that, we'll add a trend line. The average line is now visible, so we can color it as desired. For the bars representing views, I'll choose a gray color. Next, we'll add data labels. You may notice that the line appears behind the numerical values, making the data labels hard to read, so I'll add a white background to them. Finally, I'll remove the x-axis value as it's unnecessary. That's it. So, does it meet your expectations?
It does. Thanks, Mama.
And for those of you watching, did you find this video helpful? If so, give me a like and a comment so YouTube can recommend this video to more people. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much.